Hi children, welcome to our next class. Which lesson now we are studying? Which lesson? All of you tell me loudly. Which lesson? Lesson 3, Good Food Habits. Okay, I hope you all have studied previous class topics. Anyway, just recall it. Which are the things we learned from previous class? Okay. We studied about balanced diet. Okay, first class we studied about balanced diet. After that we studied proper food habits. Okay, food at fixed time. That and all we learned in previous class. Okay, I hope all of you read the textbook and study the spellings and study the definition for balanced diet and all. Okay. Anyway, let us start today's class. At last class we studied proper food habits. Okay. After that we learned food at fixed times. Okay. So today we are going to learn about cleanliness. Okay. About cleanliness of food now we are going to study. Okay. Nowadays it is very important topic. So first one is what? You should wash fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking. Okay. In your home, who will wash fruits and vegetables? Your mother. Is it right? Okay. Today onwards, you also please help your mother. You should wash fruits and vegetables properly. Okay, so before eating fruits and vegetable, you should wash properly. Okay, because sometimes maybe there is dirt or dust is there. So you should wash fruits and vegetables with clean water. Okay, with the clean water we should wash. That after, what thing we need keep it in your mind? We should not eat uncovered food. Okay. Always keep food items covered. Okay. With a lid you should cover. Just check in your kitchen and all whether any food item is opened and there. Just covered. Today onwards you should do these all things. Okay. I hope you will do. You are good students, no? So you will do. I know. So if any food is uncovered in your home, you please cover it with a lid. Okay. Then next one is we should not eat stale food. Stale food means what? Stale food, old food. Okay. Only eat fresh food. Otherwise what will happen? Maybe we will fall in sick. Okay, so always eat only stale, don't eat stale food. Okay, we should not eat stale food. Okay, then next one is we should not buy food from roadside vendors. Vendors means what? The shop. Okay, from roadside shop some fruits and vegetables are there. How they are keeping that fruits and vegetables? They are open, there is no cover. If it is net also there, but some small flies and all will be there. So try to avoid these roadside vendors. Don't buy food from roadside vendors. If we eat that kinds of food, what will happen? We may fall in sick. Okay, so these are the points coming under clean food. Okay, these are the things about cleanliness of food. First one is what? All of you please tell me loudly. What? Wash fruits and vegetables with clean water. With the clean water only need, or warm water also good. Okay, so wash fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking. Okay. Then next one is we should not eat uncovered food. If any food is there keeping uncovered, if we eat that food, what will happen? what will happen if maybe there is small flies and all sit there, then we may fall in sick again. So we should not eat uncovered food. Always keep food covered with a lid. Okay, you make sure that in your home all food items is covered. Okay, next one is we should not eat stale food. Okay, old food or yesterday, 3 days, 4 days before food, sometimes keep it on the fridge, some take and eat, that is not good. Okay, we should only eat fresh food. Okay, that help us to keep our body healthy. Then last point is we should not buy food from where? Roadside vendors. Don't buy food from roadside vendors, and make sure that if you buy, make sure that it is covered. Okay, it is fresh, you make it sure. So these are the points coming under clean food. Okay, I hope all of you understood all these things. These points are in your textbook also. While you are studying, please underline and study. Okay, these are very easy and very important and also very useful for you. Okay, so first one is wash fruits and vegetables with clean water. That after, we should not eat uncovered food. For that, make sure that all food items are covered with a lid in your home. Okay. Then third point is we should not eat stale food. We should not eat stale food. Then last point is we should not buy food from roadside vendors. Okay. These days we can see many roadside vendors are there. They are just open and keeping all items. So don't buy that food. Okay. Then last point we are going to study about at the dining table. At the dining table, what are the things we need to listen? Okay, what are the things we need to do? That are now we are going to study. Okay, where you are having food, which place? In your dining table? Okay, so before go to eat food, you should clean dining table with clean cotton clothes. Okay, this is your duty. Okay, if your mother is very busy, you have to do this. Okay, now you are at your home, no? So you should, before eating, you should clean dining table. Okay, and while we are eating, that plate, that utensil, dishes, you make it sure that it is cleaned. Okay, not just wash these plates and all, properly wash and make sure that it is cleaned, then only in that plate you have to eat food. Okay, then wash your hands before and after having food. That is very, very important. I know some students, they will not wash properly in your hands. I know that, but today onwards, please, with the soap, you should wash your hands. Okay, wash your hands with soap water, then clean with like that. You clean your hands, then only you can eat. Okay, so wash your hands before and after having food. Okay, then while eating, chew the food properly. Okay, chewing means what, you know? Some students I know, they will not chew properly. They will fastly, they will swallow the food. That also not good. Maybe anything will happen. So it's not safe. So chew the food. Okay, chew the food properly, then only swallow. Take time, chew the food, that after swallow. Okay, then while eating, don't talk or don't laugh. What will happen? We have the tendency to cough. Okay, so that is also very dangerous. So while eating, don't talk and don't laugh. You are smaller children now, so don't do these kinds of things while eating. Okay, chew the food properly and don't talk and don't laugh. Okay. Then already I told you, always eat which type of food? Fresh and balanced diet. You should include all different kinds of food in your daily life. Okay, then only you will become more energetic, more healthy and also. So, always eat fresh and balanced diet. Okay, all of you? Okay, that after always use clean plates. That also I already told you. Clean your plates before eating food. Okay, make sure that your mother is very busy. You also there in your home now. So your mother or grandparents, they are very busy maybe. So you should make sure that the plate is full cleaned. Then last point is we should not waste food. Okay, each food is very precious. So don't waste food. Okay. These are the points coming under at the dining table. Okay, which are they? All of you please read with me. We must eat at clean place. We must eat at where? Clean place. Before eating food, you should clean the place. Okay. That after, wash your hands before and after having food. Before and after. Okay, they will not wash their hands before. After they will eat, but after having food you should wash your hands. Okay, and mouth also you should wash after having food. Then third point is we must chew properly. Okay, after chewing only swallow the food. Then don't talk or laugh while eating. Okay, make sure that. Then next one is always eat fresh and balanced diet. Always eat food coming under, which are the food coming under? Energy giving food, body building food and which food? Protective food. All these different kinds of food you should include. Then always use clean plates. Okay, all the time you should make sure that the plates or glasses, all things are cleaned. Okay. Then we should not waste food. Don't waste food. It's very precious. Okay. So, which are the things coming under proper food habits? Proper food habits means, in proper food habits there are 3 points are coming. First one is food at fixed time. At fixed times only you should eat. Okay, in between don't eat, and don't eat sweets, ice cream, fried items and junk food. Okay, then don't eat too little food or too more food, don't eat. Proper quantity of food only you should eat. Then next point is clean food. Okay, always eat only clean food. Otherwise what will happen you know already. I told you know. Then next in clean food, first point is wash fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking. Okay. Then we should not eat uncovered food. If it is uncovered, what will happen? That food is not good. Flies and all seated there, and if we eat that food, what happen? We may become sick. We fall in diseases. Okay. Maybe sometimes some students may feel stomach pain and all. Why? Because they maybe eat these kinds of food. Okay. Stale food don't eat. Uncovered food don't eat. Then don't buy food from roadside vendors. Maybe if we wash, sometimes it will become maybe it will not clean. So don't buy food from roadside vendors. Then next point is at the dining table. At the dining table, what are the things we keep it in our mind? We must clean place. Okay, we must eat at clean place. We must eat at clean place. Then what? Wash our hands before and after having food. Okay. Then what? We must chew food. Okay, don't swallow. After chewing only you should swallow. Then don't talk or laugh while eating. Okay, that also you know already. Always eat fresh and balanced diet. Only eat fresh and balanced diet. Don't eat unhealthy foods. Always use clean plates. You should not waste food. Okay, don't waste food. I hope you all understood all these topics. So all of you please read the textbook page number 76 and 77. Okay, and one exercise is also there. Here one activity is there. You should complete this and read and study how many times? Yes, 5 times. 5 times read and study. Okay, thank you.